Me not finish yet, you know. Yeah, me need more stuff, man.
So what are that? We have video.
No, me up on YouTube. I have a YouTube channel.
Allah, YouTube me there. Here I am. The whole body, the whole body.
Where one? Ah, Jesus. I know you can mix up the bag of cement here. Just got a taxi, reaching the city. It's a busy day, busy and hot. So now I'm trying to get to the hardware and see if I can get the material that I need to bring up in the hills. Yep. But as I say, man, it's a hot day. The bag juice that we purchased at the little shop in the community, that's already finished. I have a bottle of water in my backpack. And I think I'm gonna have to get something else when I reach up more on the street. Because as I say, it's a super hot one. Sorry guys, sorry. Sorry, my brother. Yep. I already have a bottle of water in my backpack. And I may gonna have to get something else when I reach up more on the street. Sorry, my sister. And see how this thing work out. I don't know if you can see up there, like it's a busy Thursday, super busy. Busy Thursday. Trying to navigate myself through the street. Reach through the hardware. It seems as if we're gonna get some more rain today. Seriously, guys, like the rain start falling like early. I don't know why, but you can time it, man. You can seriously time the rain. It's like it comes at the same time every day. And it's like it comes at the same time every day, guys. I'm presently on Church Street. Heading up to Crit Street. No, Doom Street. That's where we're going. That's where the hardware is. It's a hardware that I was working like 15 years ago. So, you know, that's where I'm gonna go to purchase the stuff that I need. I don't support them because I usually work. That's where I usually work. So I'm just gonna support them, buy the material there, and hopefully I can get a transport in the same location and head back up in the hills so that the guy can get the stuff. So viewers, see you when I reach, man. finally reached the hardware. You know, this is where I usually work. Discount lumber and hardware. Like 15, maybe 17 years ago. Yeah. Bring back memory, man. Seriously, bring back memory. Yeah. And as you can see, they have the ties right here. Beautiful ties. Beautiful tiles. Ceramic, mosaic, porcelain. Prices are not bad. 13 by 23, 450 plus tax. It's not bad. Arizona. So guys, if you ever come to Jamaica, come to Montego Bay, and you want to purchase some tiles, just come check discount at Doon Street, man. They give you some wonderful discount and we got quality stuff. I'm not buying any of this stuff today. I'll come to get like steel, cement, ply, and tool for. They got wonderful stuff here, man. Skylights, mirrors. Beautiful. Yeah. Tubs. Jacuzzis. Vanities. Doors, windows, wash tubs. Yeah. Nice door, guys. Beautiful. More tiles. Prices are not bad either. Nice prices. We got faucets right here. Euroflow. So as I say, guys, if you're visiting Montego Bay and you're looking for hardware stuff, Discount Lumber is the place to be, man. Not only when you purchase stuff, man, competitive prices, they also give you a discount, man. Best hardware in the whole Jamaica right now. Discount Lumber and hardware. You hear the name Discount, you're guaranteed to get a discount with your purchase. So yeah. Usually work here, man. Bring back memories. Lovely place, beautiful workers, beautiful people, quality products and everything. You won't regret making a purchase at discount. So I'm gonna see if I can get my stuff and go in the hill.
No, the next one beside it. Yes.
How you doing, sis? Hello, Lisa. How you doing?
You dare not tell us when I ask you?
Every day, frost mine.
Alex, we didn't know say your brother went drop out, man.
Crazy. Miss Lisa, my respect. How you doing?
So nice to see you.
Same here.
No, this is fierce.
10 length or 2 before some cement to make up back what the guy need to accomplish the job. So I'm see if I can get that right now and head back onto the hills so that we can finish, put up the decking, because we are on schedule to cast the decking on Sunday. Sundays when he said that he wanted to do it, and I'm trying to make it come true. So we already have majority of the stuff, but when he finally did the mats, we kind of short because we had used some of the stuff out of what is there. So we got to get them and put back in the supply so I can finish up the work. So that's what I'm here doing today, guys. Crazy day, busy, super hot, super sweaty, and I'm trying to get everything done.
If you get Rollo, you're not going sorry. And you must spend money again.
To WhatsApp. Well, I'm going with talks. Sorry, we didn't make one video at the same time. We make one video at the same time, so we don't want to put nobody night who don't really want to be, you know.
Okay.
How is everything? Me not finish yet, you know. Yeah, me need more stuff, man.
So what are that we have video?
No, me on YouTube. I have a YouTube channel.
Allah, YouTube me there. Here I am. The whole body.
Just got the bill. I don't know if you can see it right here. What? 85,000 for the steel, the wood, the cement. So we're gonna pay for it right now and head back up in the hills. Yes, my lady, I'm gonna pay for this stuff right now. I wonder if Michelle can give me more discount on it. Camber. Yeah. You think Michelle can give me more? You know what, let me leave it also. Here you go, sis. So yes, guys, so the guy up in the hill waiting on the stuff. I'm gonna pay for them, take them up and see if he can finish up his side of the work. As I said, this rain always on timing, man, and it's dark outside right now, overcast. So fine, there. We're just gonna pay for it, get a truck, carry it up, let the guy get his stuff, and we can get the stuff done because 100% sure 3 o'clock or 2:30 the rain is coming. Yeah. And then we may go down in the market to get some food stuff to cook for the guys that are working.
Thank you.
Hello? So this is mine? Okay, gotcha.
This is my next man. My next one go visiting man. Listen.
It's my GoPro. I'm using it to make some videos. How is the family? Any one of them. Yeah. So guys, after this we're gonna go down in the market. I gotta get this yam, some banana, and some seasoning, because we are going to cook some food for the workers then before the rain starts fall. No joke. So stay tuned and watch the progress. Back at the yard, and we got a delivery truck. And now we're loading up the stuff in the back, the cement, to the floor, and get 30 length of steel also. Bring them up in the hills and see if the guy can get them before we stop, because I tell you, we're gonna get some rain, man. Look already. Definitely gonna get some rain. No joke about it. But yeah, guys, this is the hardware that I usually work. Well, somebody just said to me it's not even 12 or 13, it's more than 15 years ago, man. I remember there was a cook shop right there. We usually buy fried dumpling with chicken back gravy every morning. Lumber and hardware, Dome Street is the place to be, man. Competitive prices, and on that they give a discount. So support them, guys, check them out, you know. So this is where I buy my material, man. This is where I usually work, and you know, they treat me as a family back then, and they still treat me as a family right now. So I'll still give them my support. So you do the same also. Bring back memories, man. Still see some of the guys here that I was working with back then. Yep. So we're just gonna grab everything and head in the hills. So that is the truck right there. We're waiting on the steel to bring up in the hills, and some electrical pipes also. I totally forgot about those electrical pipes. And really good, definitely. Yeah. Electrical pipes. I didn't even remember that we're gonna get the electrical pipes. Pipes, cement, and this, and the steel. How are you, man? You alright?
Yeah.
Alright, respect, sir, respect. Competitive prices. They got the cement, lumber, steel, tiles, and everything. Best hardware in Montego Bay right now, man. This is where you come to get your good deals and everything. They will take care of you. Discount lumber and hardware. Yep. The supermarket. So we can get some water and some. Yeah, you see this one there? Give me two of them now. Yeah, me take two cases. Yeah, man, give me 2 cases. I'll grab some water. How much? Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Good. I'll get some little stuff. You know, ketchup. Yeah, man. And some, I want some, you know, a big soda them.
Yeah.
Can get 2 other 2 and Pepsi and 1 other one. Yeah. So guys, we're getting some ketchup. Let's see what else is over there. Give me 2 Pepsi. Give me 2 Pepsi, Jen. Give me 2 Pepsi, yeah, man. And vinegar. We'll do some, we'll cook some flour. Yeah, Tugs. Yeah, how much is that? You know, just give me 3 out. But I take 3 out. Just 3. Give me 3 single.
Alright.
Yeah, we're not going with that. Just give me. You know what? Let me take 1 Pepsi, 1 grape, and give me a nice Sprite. Yeah.
1 Pepsi, 1 grape, 1 Sprite.
Yeah, my father. Respect, man. Yeah. So, virgin of them, the way I will get, you know. Let's see. Because the man in my work and, you know, nothing up there for drink. So, that's what I go program right now. Yeah, so milk too. 2 more milk. So, this. Yeah, man, that good for do this stuff. So, we need anything else. Where you say, you drag it out for me, right?
Yeah, man.
Respect, sir, respect. You say we need anything else. Yeah, man, yeah. Get some buns, guys.
I said, like, she done done already. I said, like, she done done.
Grab 2 water too. What about family? Yeah. That's it, guys. Yo, me Jenna, you ready to roll? We deal with you. Alright. So your family, and that we are free. We are head out now. And go back up in the hills. The transport on the road heading up into the hills, man. It's a hot day in Montego Bay, man. Super hot. See this guy right here? I'm chucking this guy down quickly like I'm in the Sahara Desert. But yeah, just meet up at one of my long-time G at the hardware. Bigfoot. Respect every time, man. Long-time general them, man. 17 years know these guys, man. So I just God sent me to him. He's the one that, you know, taking up the goods up into the hills for me. Know that we're gonna get some rain. You can see clouds coming in already, but still gotta get it done. So right now we are en route, headed up in the hills so we can drop off these stuff, get the workers to bring them up so that the contractor can finish his part of the work. But yes, guys, back at it again, man. Super busy day, super hot day. But still gotta get it done. Still gotta get it done, guys. So this is what the traffic looks like right now. Yeah. Oh God, man. See, Bruce, Kevin, yeah. Kevin, man. Yeah. Oh God, man. I hope I get to see them before I leave, bro. That's up here, man. Yeah. at the back a while ago. One of the young G did it and say, yo, where's you know any Godfather around here? So he said, he said, man. I said, true, man. Those were different times, though.
Yes, man, boy.
Yeah.
Come on. Every day not gonna be the same, you know?
Remember one time I come and work, you know, I got no food, you know.
Yeah.
And Bruce said, yo, Ashael, oh, go on. Say, yo, not go on for me, no dog. And the man say, yo, we don't cook a pot. The man have one little stove and I hope at the building. We did the cooking up. Not even Mr. Brown knew. I mean, I tell you, man, those were the days, though. Yeah. But Bigfoot, yo, we learned one thing, you know. You say in the street, you have to show people respect, man.
If you not show respect,
you now get respect. And it's also can determine whether life or death, man. Gotta show respect, bro. But yeah, guys, right now we are en route to the work site, and hopefully the guys they will have strength, the workers they will have the extra strength to bring this stuff up in the hills so that the guy can get them to do his stuff, because he already set his time frame, and these are the stuff that he was waiting on. So I got them for him, and he can do his stuff. So guys, I'm tired, man. I'm gonna take a break. So see you when you reach up in the hills. Just drop off the material. The guy couldn't come up with all the load on it on the hill, so he had to drop off the steel down there. Expect him to come so far, but we do it out of favor because we've been friends so long. So steel is right there, so we're gonna have to bring that up, and then we have the lumber, cement, wow, electrical pipe, and little food stuff.
Right there, sir.
Yeah. That's man right here. That is where we are at right now. Yo! So, see you in a few, viewers, as we get this stuff up in the hills and see how the rest of the day progresses. Alright? Cement, pipe, and this stuff right here, and the steel down there. Yeah?